Morning, guys. Today is Friday, May 8th, and welcome to biology. So although we are taking our evolution test today, we are going to be doing the do now still. So you need to do this do now before 2 p.m. so that we can take your attendance. The main thing that we want to know for today is, what is the one class you're enjoying the most during distance learning? So what's the one class you're enjoying the most? And just explain why in the do now response form before 2 p.m. So I do want to say a couple things before we take the evolution test today, and that's because we've never taken a test like this before. So number one, although this might be obvious, the test is to be done individually. So it is only you that is taking the test. However, you do get to use your notes. So the notes that you've had throughout the past month, you can use those notes on this test. Number two, this is a time test, so you need to pay attention to the clock. You're going to be given 80 minutes for this test. Ms. Cornell and I do feel like this is enough time, so that shouldn't be too much of a worry. But just know that there is a time on this test. And there's also a time for when you can take this test. So it's open today at 7 a.m. and it closes at 11:59 p.m. tonight. So with that, you need to start your attempt by 11:20 p.m. tonight at the very latest. So it's time from 7 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. and you get 80 minutes to take it. Finally, there are four short answers on this test. So one thing we just want to say about that is that Schoology is linked up to Turnitin.com. So with that, when you're answering the short answers, you need to make sure that they are your answers and they're put into your words. Schoology will flag responses that were like copy and pasted from the internet, or if, from like another friend or another submission. So please be aware of that Schoology is linked to Turnitin.com. So when you're answering the short answers, they are your responses. So that's really all I have for today. Best of luck on the evolution test. If you have questions, send us a message on Schoology. Besides that, enjoy your weekend and we'll see you guys next week.